Hey guys, so this is my slime, and I'm gonna try to make it more stickier. If you want to watch, if you don't want to watch, just scroll because you don't have to watch it if you don't want to watch it, because it's what you want to do. But anyways, to make it stickier, first thing you're gonna need is some Baby Love Dove lotion. Yep. Looks just like this. Get the lotion. After you add the lotion, you're just going to do this for like a few seconds, probably like 10 seconds, and then you're going to stop. After that, you're going to move the slime around and so that it can mix with the lotion. Add a bit of water. Now the slime is super sticky and it's super fun to play with. And this is what it should look like after. Doesn't have to be the same color. Just have fun. I hope you liked the tutorial.